Class 10 will be taking exercise 2.3 based on division algorithm for polynomials, for algebraic expressions. Okay, so here your dividend, that is px, same as dividend in simple numbers, is given as this expression. Then gx, which would be same as your divisor, is given as this, which I have rearranged here, x square in descending power. Okay, we will arrange both dividend as well as divisor, px and gx, in descending power to avoid any kind of confusion. So this was not arranged, so I have arranged this x square minus x and then the constant term. Now we will go for the division. So the highest power x to the power of 4 and to be divided by x square. So we know we need x squares more. X square into x square will make it x to the power of 4. We try to match up with the highest power present here. Okay, so multiplying it by x square, you will get exactly the same, that is x square into x square will give you x to the power of 4. Then you need to multiply this with the remaining terms also automatically. So with minus x, this gives you minus x cube. Since there was no other term of x cube, you write it separately. We'll put like terms below like terms. Okay, so minus x cube comes here, then this multiplied with x square gives you x square, which will be placed here. Now we have to subtract. For subtracting, we need to change the sign of this expression here. So this becomes minus x square plus x square minus x square, x to the power of 4, plus and minus gets cancelled, and then x cube being the highest power, I've put that right in front. Okay, descending power में हम highest power eliminate करते जाते हैं. So this becoming plus x cube will come right in front, then minus 3 and minus 1. Now this has become, gives you minus 4. The other two will be copied as it is. Now to get x cube, with the x square we need one more x. So we multiplied it by plus x this time. So plus x cube, then minus of x square was there, so we'll put it below x square, then minus of x below x. Okay, changing the sign once again, the highest power is again getting cancelled here, cube which was left, and this becomes minus 4 plus 1, which gives you minus 3 x squares. You had plus 4 already and you get a minus x from here, which gives you plus 3, and this will be copied down. So x square now needs to be multiplied with a minus 3. So we'll multiply this expression with minus 3 now. So that gives you minus 3x square. Minus minus will make it positive 3x. Then minus of 3. Again changing the sign, the first two terms are getting cancelled, and plus 5 and plus 3 gives you plus 8 remainder. Okay, remember that remainder is always, degree of remainder has to be less than that of divisor. Okay, obviously dividend's degree has to be the highest. Okay, so from here we observe that our quotient is coming out to be x square plus x minus 3, and our remainder is 8. That is what they had asked us to do. Find the quotient and remainder when this expression is divided by this. Next, the third portion I have taken, px is given as x to the power of 4 minus 5x plus 6. Already arranged, descending power में ही है. gx was 2 minus x square. तो इसको भी आप descending में arrange करोगे. First you will take minus x square and then plus 2. So we are dividing the expression by the given expression here. So you had x to the power of 4 here. You already have minus x square. So to make it positive, you need a minus sign and a x square. X square will make it x to the power of 4. Okay, now this naturally has to be multiplied with the other number here, which is plus 2, which is giving you minus 2x square. Now again there was no x square here, so you place it separately. Then changing the sign, this becomes, this one gets cancelled, and this becomes plus 2x square, which will come right in front, being the highest power now left over, and these will be copied. Okay, then next is, if you want 2x square from here, means you are looking for a minus 2. Minus minus will make it plus 2x square, and then that minus 2 further multiplied with plus 2 makes it minus of 4. So this will be this place will remain, and we'll put the constant below constant. Like terms have to be put together for adding and subtracting. This is getting cancelled, this will be copied. Then plus 6 and plus 4 gives you a plus 10. Now this degree has become less than that of divisor. This was square power 2, and we've got a linear expression here. So our division finishes off here, right? And hence we conclude our quotient which is denoted by QX in division algorithm for polynomials, is minus x square minus 2, and remainder, that is Rx, is minus 5x plus 10. Now the first part, children, likewise you will try yourself and see whether you are getting it or not. Then let's cover part question number 2 also here. There are 3 parts. I've left the first and third for you all to try, and one example I've taken here. In this question they were asking you to check whether this polynomial here is factor of the other polynomial or not. Obviously the higher degree polynomial has to be divided by the smaller degree one. Okay, so we'll divide and check if it is a factor. Now we know from factor theorem, you studied, you know what factors mean. So whenever we have factors, the remainder comes out to be 0. So simply what we have to do is divide the greater degree polynomial by the smaller degree one and check and see what your remainder comes out to be. If the remainder is 0, you conclude the one that was dividing is a factor, and if it is a non-zero remainder, then you say it is not a factor. Okay, so in this example that I've taken here, you had x square was to divide the highest power here, 3x to the power of 4. So you need a 3 and you need x squares more. So first we'll be dividing it by 3x square, which will give you 3x to the power of 4. Then if you multiply with the next term, so that gives you 3 into 3, 9 x cube, x square into x. So 9x cube, below x cube, there was x cube there as well. Then 3x square with 1 gives you 3x square. Changing the sign here, this gets cancelled. Plus 5 minus 9 gives you minus 4, minus 7, and this also becomes minus 3 now, so minus 10. The other two copied as they are. Okay, so now we are looking for minus 4x cube from x square. So you need a minus 4x to be multiplied here to give you this. So minus 4x. Then this minus 4x will also be multiplied with 3x to give you minus 12x square. Below x square, minus 12x square, and with 1 gives you minus 4x. Again changing the sign, the highest power is now no more. Then the next highest, so minus 10 and plus 12 gives you a plus 2x square, and here plus 2, and this becomes plus 4 to give you plus 6, and that 2 will be copied. So from x square we are looking for now 2x square, so only a plus 2 has to be multiplied there. So plus 2x square, then that gives you plus 6x and a plus 2. Exactly the same expression. If you change the sign, all is getting cancelled, so you end up getting a 0 remainder. Hence the conclusion, if the remainder comes out to be 0, it would be a factor. At times the remainder might not be a 0, then you would say it is not a factor. Okay, so try the other two parts and let me know.